Yeah, Dr. Arshi here. Yeah, please. Dr. Arshi Naharwal, she is going to speak on intraocular treasure hunt. So, got a treasure there.
A young male presented with history of trauma to the right eye while hammering a metallic sheet. He underwent an orbital X-ray immediately at a local hospital, but no obvious intraocular foreign body was reported on the imaging. He
Audio please
presented to
बढ़ाओ.
us for a second opinion. At presentation to us, right eye slit lamp examination revealed a small self-sealed limbal wound and full thickness iris hole with visible lens edge at 4 o'clock position without any obvious intraocular foreign body. Dilated fundus examination and USG B scan was unremarkable. In the absence of UBM at our institute, indirect gonioscopy was performed and surprisingly, an intraocular foreign body could be seen behind the iris hole at inferonasal ciliary sulcus. A non-contrast CT of orbit also confirmed the presence of intraocular foreign body. Surgical removal of intraocular foreign body through an anterior limbal route was planned. A side port was made at 8 o'clock and AC maintainer was introduced. Another side port was made at 10 o'clock. Intraocular foreign body retrieval under direct visualization was attempted with intraocular magnet but failed. Two additional side ports were made at 3 and 6 o'clock to introduce iris hooks for better exposure of inferonasal sulcus. Intraocular foreign body was visualized under scleral indentation in inferonasal quadrant. It was retrieved in anterior chamber with an intraocular foreign body forceps. Intraocular foreign body was removed with Kelman-McPherson forceps finally by bimanual handshake technique. Hence, clinical cues like self-sealed wound and an iris hole should arouse a high index of suspicion for an IOFP. Gonioscopy is an important clinical tool to detect IOFP located at ciliary sulcus area. Scleral indentation assisted direct visualization and extraction through the limbal route can be a cost-effective and safe option for removing of IOFP from the ciliary sulcus.
I didn't do the X-ray in this case.
Yes, sir. The first slide showed the X-ray, which did not detect any intraocular foreign body. So, because of the high suspicion,
Why didn't show the open body?
the X-ray, sir, sometimes it is the bony margins are overlapping,
We
and
have
it is,
taken a bone-free X-ray, with a dental film.
we could do that, sir.
It's, so, it was a glass or metal particle?
Metal.
You got the ultrasound also done? US
Yes.
scan? B scan also?
Yes, B scan also, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.